Hey everybody, so it is right now Monday evening the 10th, and you guys saw a video this morning with an update about Dad and the fact that he has been struggling with COVID in the hospital for a week. Well, unfortunately he passed today at 12:45 p.m. Vicky and I were with him when he passed. He passed peacefully. He fought as hard as he could. His body just could not recover from this thing. So I don't believe, we've got just so much to do. I don't believe I'll be doing any other videos this week. We may be doing a live on Friday. I'm not sure yet. But anyway, we've been inundated with your thoughts and prayers and love, and we so appreciate all of you. And we so appreciate your patience, and business is still functioning, business is still going. So anything we can do for you business wise, we're here, shipping all the time, doing all of our stuff. We just have some other stuff we've got to take care of as well. So anyway, we love you guys. Thank you again. Thank you so much for all the love and the outpouring of well wishes and prayers. We so appreciate you all. We love you all. We'll see you soon. Bye.